So I'll be telling a true life horror story. And before I begin, tell me, do you believe in ghosts or not? Because this story I'm about to tell is a true life story and is involving a ghost. So this happened to my mom when she was still little. They normally go to the village stream to fetch water early in the morning. And that fateful morning, she was supposed to go with her brothers, but they left before her. So she hurriedly finished what she was doing so that she could join her siblings down to the stream. So this is where the story begins. When she came out, she said she could hear her siblings talking in front, talking and laughing, and at the same time she saw this figure with a lantern walking down the same path that leads to the stream. So this is where she thought to herself, okay, this might be one of my siblings walking down with the light. So she started calling out to her siblings and was running towards the person with the light, not knowing that this person is not even a human being. So when she was running towards the light, she was calling out to her siblings. She was calling out to her brother and be like, wait for me, oh, I'm coming. But she said whenever she's getting closer to this person with this light, suddenly this person will be ahead of her. She thought maybe her siblings are playing with her and running away from her. She would be calling them and be like, wait for me now, I'm coming now, I'm behind. And whenever it seems as though she's getting closer to this person with this light, this person will somehow be ahead of her. This is when she started thinking to herself, what's going on? When she was having that thought, this figure suddenly disappeared. And this is when she started hearing her siblings calling out to her. They were coming back for her. They were looking for her. She was so shocked she couldn't even speak when her siblings found her. Well, to me, I feel this is a good ghost trying to lead her back to her siblings. I don't know. I don't even know if ghosts are real. What do you think?